Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Wearing workout gloves provides extra support for your hands and fingers. Although the gloves will not give you the ability to lift heavy weight loads, weightlifting gloves protect your fingers from undue stress and help you increase the weight load gradually. And you want to know the best gym gloves in 2021? Then you have come to the right place. I'm going to list the 5 best gym gloves in 2021. All the links are in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Come to the gym, open the package, put on the LXL gloves, start your favorite sports. You will find that you are no longer troubled by wrist and palm skin injuries. Be prepared to enjoy the fitness experience of a privileged few. Before you know it, you'll be working out an extra half hour. Different from other common gloves, the LXL gloves are made of microfiber and spandex fiber, which is the better material, totally handmade. The LXL gloves have a lot of humanized design. Injury prevention thanks to the wrist wrap support system. Simply reduce the risk of injury to your joints by providing good wrist support while focusing on your training. Blisters and calluses protector to better focus on your workouts. Silicone grip layer to minimize slipping and ripping. A comfortable and breathable feel that prevents overheating. Mava workout gloves can be used by both beginners as well as more seasoned athletes and trainers, both men and women, irrespective of their level of fitness training. And anyone who wants to protect their hands and better focus on their workouts. Comfortable thanks to their anatomically fit design. Breathable thanks to their open build that prevents overheating. Durable thanks to their double-stitched and reinforced seams. What are you waiting for? Go grab yours now. Mava Gym Gloves. Simari Workout Gloves. The Simari workout gloves have been updated. Different from other common gloves, the Simari gloves are made of microfiber and spandex fiber, which is the better material. The Simari gloves have a lot of humanized design to improve the use of experience. Simari workout gloves will provide you durable wristband. Effective wrist support structure will definitely provide you maximum protect. Prevent your wrist from spraining when powerlifting. 2. Powerlifting and bodybuilding essentials in one. Gym gloves enhance your grip, while the 10-inch wide, 25-inch leather-long wrist wraps provide stability and reduce your risk of injury. Why buy 2 pieces of workout gear when you can get the benefits of both with one comfortable, high-quality leather glove? So easy to take off. Unlike other lifting gloves, Grip Power Pads gloves are easy to remove and offer 2 different removal options. Either grip the loops on the 2nd and 4th fingers to pull, or grip the tab on the side and the thumb 3rd and 5th fingers to pull. Made for a perfect fit, offered in small, medium, large, and extra large. Consult the sizing chart to find the right option for your hands. The Dupier workout gloves protect your hands fully. The wrist support can protect your arms from spraining, and the thickening compressive material on the palm will buffer the impact of sport apparatus. Most of all, different from other general gloves, the palm of Dupier gloves are made of microfiber, which will be not easy to be destroyed. The weightlifting gloves are more breathable. The back of hands are made of which is a light and breathable fabric. So the gloves will keep your hands dry and comfortable. You have no risk to have a try. Just believe. We will be always with you. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.